What up, YouTube and David? Here we go with another video. It's been a while since I think I've only made one video in the last week and a half or 2 weeks. So I'm gonna make that up. I think I'm gonna make like 4 or 5 videos tonight. This game didn't last very long, but since it didn't, we're gonna throw in some opening analysis. So we got a C3 Sicilian. Black's being very aggressive, pinning this knight. The main line move is bishop e2. Um, but I just think learning mainlines is overrated when you could play something just as good. D takes C is just as good, if not better, than bishop e2. Now, if black takes, we can, yeah, I guess queen, I think knight a3 first. I don't remember why, but we're playing bishop here next. I guess if the knight comes out now, well, not to mention this, but also we can hit the queen and it can't back up so easily. I'm not going to look at that line so much, but this one's kind of fun. So queen takes queen here, and e5. Looks like White's king stuck in the center. He's either going to lose this pawn or get his knight pinned, but we just calmly defend and allow White to go ahead and hit our knight because we're going to hit his bishop. Takes, takes, takes. Yeah. Oh, I'm amazed that Entrance is this good, but yeah, almost +3. This is a great position. If here, I assume we play rook e1. We're not worried about this pawn for some reason. Yeah, this is just great. Black's driven back in order to defend these pawns. And look at these guys. I mean, probably one of them is going to become a queen. So that is one variation. So most players, oops, not 90, 92. Let's just give it a piece for another. Most players after h3 probably back up, and after this they'll sack a piece because they're winning this piece back. But then you can just defend. Get ready to move your king if he doesn't take. So generally he takes. And then bishop d3. You're getting all ready to play king c2. And the computer says equal, but I'd way rather play white in this position. I mean, 4-2 on the queen side. I've played a lot of games like this, and about half of them I end up getting a queen, so that's a cool line. They've been played 93. And yeah, the idea, 93 is played in a lot of c3 Sicilian lines. You want to bring your knight here, threaten this fork, make black play awkward move like knight a6. But here with black so well developed, black played cd, but better would be just knight c6, and then after knight b5, you can just castle queenside, and yeah, white's spent some temp by doing this, and black is much better developed, attacking the center. It's a good position. But instead, black took, and then David's move, knight b5 is good, knight a6, and here David goes somewhat astray with the queen a4. I mean, it's hard. In some positions, queen a4 is good, but like for instance, queen a4, bishop d7. Oh, you know, this queen is defended, so there's no cute tricks with this. So yeah, queen a4 is not the best move. And in similar positions, I actually play queen takes. It's a good endgame practice. Could end up with doubled pawns, I guess. If black doesn't trade, if it goes for the pawn, looks a little ugly, but you're going to get a tempo on the bishop. I mean, excuse me, on the queen, and then castle queenside. And instead queen takes. I didn't say take with the b knight, but I would prefer to take with this knight just to keep this guy busy defending this threat. And e5, at f3. It's about equal, but if you don't want to trade queens, you can take with one of the knights. Well, only the b knight, not this knight. You don't lose your queen. And yeah, actually, It says white's quite a bit better, but I get a little nervous about this pressure here. Threat is e5, I think. Although, well, you are totally destroying black's queenside. Queen e2 getting out of this pin. Staying in this one, but yeah, white is a good position. Queen a4, and then here's a huge blunder. So queen d6 is a cute move. What's the idea of queen d6? Do you see it? Just simple. Queen can't take because it's pinned after here. We're winning the queen. That's a nice trick. Try to remember that pattern. And also, let's see, what else is good? Maybe just, oh, no, this is terrible. Oh, giving up the queen. I'm an idiot. Yeah, so knight d6 is the move. Is there any other move? Yeah, I don't think any other move works. Knight d6 is totally winning. I suppose you could do this. It's probably also okay. Yeah, also quite a good move after the queen moves. And knight d6 is still very strong. Yeah, because same idea with the pin. If the king moves, well, there's this at the very least. So, yeah, so white had a win on a move 8. Instead, he played the horrendous knight c7, and black just took it back. I guess he forgot about this knight on a6. And then he develops its bishop and hangs a queen. And I'm not going to look at the rest of this game, but definitely these openings. Honestly, I think openings are kind of boring, and I don't like looking at them. But I like these c3 Sicilian openings. Yeah, I like d takes c because it's fun. You get a lot of endgame practice, and this position is very. Black doesn't have to play e5, but if black plays like e6 or something, then your position's even easier because black has no real threats. And yeah, this is just a lot of fun. Play with 4 versus 2 on the queen side, so keep that in mind. And less critical is this, just because you can play 93, play bishop e3, and you're just really kicking black around and getting a lead development. I mean, you should look at the lines, but it's less critical than the end games, and both are pretty fun to play. So that would be my opening recommendation for white instead of knight a3. And just to recap again, in this position, here, let's take back the pawn and threaten to horribly totally destroy black's queen side after knight takes. You could also play queen takes, but knight b takes is better. And instead, after this, and queen c6, nice tactic here with bishop here coming. So, hope you enjoyed that game. Thanks for watching.